Hey guys, welcome to the vlog today, and today we're doing a little exhaust demo. Austin is over here somewhere.
Good day, people!
And this is his car, 2015 Woo! Camaro. It's got 6.2 obviously because V6 sucks.
Yeah, who gets a V6 these days?
Exactly. So tomorrow he's actually going to be getting a different exhaust on. He's going to be getting a Flo Pro, and he's going to be doing a Resonator delete. So in this video, we're going to show you what it sounds like stock. And then tomorrow, after he's done getting the exhaust, we're going to record all that, and then we're going to show you the difference between the Flo Pro and the stock exhaust. So stay tuned for that. It's going to be a lot of fun.
Peace.
Now give it a rev. Hey guys.
Good day.
Thanks for, sticking with us in this video.
Coming back for more?
Yeah, come back for more.
Yes, sir.
So, as you saw yesterday, we did a little stock exhaust on Austin's Camaro. And so now he's got his other exhaust on. So Austin, tell us what kind of mufflers you got.
We got ourselves some Flo Pro Max mufflers with the stock tips, 3-inch tips, flared tips. And we got them installed at OK Tire in Winkler, and I highly recommend. They do good work. And it was cheaper than what they quoted.
And you also got your resonators deleted.
And resonators were also deleted, so less resistance for the air.
All right, so now we're going to show you guys what that sounds like. So here you go. All right, guys. So that's a little video on what it sounds like with the between the stock exhaust and the Flo Pro Max. So let us know in the comments, what do you think? You like the stock? Do you like the Flo Pro? And we'll kind of see how it works over time, because usually mufflers tend to kind of get a little bit louder over time. So we'll kind of see what it does. So yeah, let us know what you think. And what do you think?
I think it sounds like it should have sounded all along.
Awesome. All right. Thanks again for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Peace.